So the final thing that we're going to want to do before we launch our store is we're going to want to buy a domain. So we can go over to domains. You can either go to GoDaddy and connect a domain, or you can go straight through Shopify and buy a new domain. So let's see if our domain is available. JewelryExpressCoShop.com. Awesome. So I'm not going to purchase this right now, but once you buy it, it'll automatically connect, and you'll be able to type that domain right into your web browser, and your website will pop up. So that's about it for this video, guys. That's a basic overview of getting your site populated with the product, putting some content on there to make it look good, integrating Overload to make sure that you can put products in your store, and setting up all the back-end fundamentals of your website so that you're ready to rock. I hope this was helpful. If anybody's got any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next one.